Okay, in this section we will create the new project and we will install all the required libraries for this. So head over to Visual Studio. I am using Visual Studio 2022 and here create new project, and we will select Blazor Webassembly app here and go to the next, and you can name your project however you want. We will name this like blog site and click next. You can check this thing, these three: configure HTTPS, ASP.NET Core hosted and progressive web app, and I will go with .NET 7 because I don't have .NET 8 available. So let's create. Okay, the project has been created, and close all this, and I will also run this project to see if everything is okay or not. So we can run this, and here we go. We'll start with the server. So inside the dependencies, so expand the packages, and you will find this text file which will tell you which libraries do we need.